All right, so if I turn off the application, I just click it right up here at the very top. I'll show you guys. That's right there, and that turns the lights off. Turn them on, I go there. If I close this out, this is what the app looks like right here. Okay, so we're just going to go through it. We're going to open it up, and I'm going to go through the various applications. Now you see that big round circle? If I draw my finger around it, I can change the colors just by doing that. And it shows in the middle that little bit of that color changes in the middle. Look, and as the lights change, different colors, the center of it changes. Now if you want, you could just go down here and click green. You click red. See that little green thing? I click that, and it just changes it as we go. On this one here, we can bring it down, bring it up. We can go slow. See where that dot goes? Wherever that dot goes, I'm pushing it with my finger. That's the brightness. All right, so let's go to classic. Let's go to white, blue. You can see the little dots. And bam, it's giving me different colors. All right, let's focus right in on this one here. I'm going to get a little bit closer so you guys can see. All right, now I'm going to go to styles. All right now we're in static red. So I'm going to switch it back. There it is. Now it's static red right here, right? And now I'm just going to go through them. Here's blue. Here's green. Right? Here's cyan. Here's yellow. Here's purple. Here's white. Now we're going to go to a 3-color jump change. See that? Now we're going to go to 7-color jump change. Now I can change the speed here, and it goes slower, or I can make it go faster. Just like that, right? Let me slow it down. Right? Let's go to 3-color fade. Now I've slowed it down so I can bring it up a little bit, and it'll go a little bit faster. Or I can bring it all the way up and it'll go really fast. Now I can bring the brightness down too if I want. You see that? See how it gets darker? Let's get lighter. All right, let's go to the next. This is a 7-color fade. Here's a red gradual change. Here's a green gradual change. Here's a blue gradual change. And you can slow this down too, watch. See that? I can speed it up. Let's go to the yellow. You guys can decide what you like. Cyan. Here's a purple gradual change. Here's a white gradual change. Here's a red-green crossfade. That's like for Christmas. Here's a blue-red crossfade. That's like for 4th of July. Here's a green-blue crossfade. Here's a 7-color strobe flash. Check that out. You can slow it down too, watch. You see? Or speed it up. That is going to give me a stroke. And then we're right back to red flash, green flash, blue strobe, yellow strobe, cyan, purple flash, white strobe, and static red. I'm going to go to static blue. All right, that's pretty cool. Now the other thing you can do is you can just do some music. You click on this and you can play a song. I'm just going to play this one. So now the computer just automatically figures out what it's going to be. Let's put that down. Now if I want to go to the mic, I could go here. Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our party here at Tom Lehman's Casa Del Mar. Peace out, everybody. Pretty cool, huh? And it's supposed to stop, but it's not. All right, let's go to the next one. All right, so next, you've got a schedule. So now if I wanted to, I could do a time here, right? And I can decide what time I want it to start. You know, I can make it like, 6 o'clock in the evening, and I could hit that, and that's the start time. And I hit the schedule, and I'm not going to do that, but you can schedule certain days, certain times for it to come on and come off, and that's the clock, right? And then you have your adjustment, and there's your front page, and that's basically it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.